Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the hot side of the circuit. The opposite side of the switch provides two terminals to connect the neutral wires to. This side is not switched. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. Now I have access to the switch. I'll note the location of each of the wires and then go ahead and remove the switch. Now I can install the new switch. These two wires are the hot wires on the switched side of the switch. And on the opposite side, the neutral wires. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's all it takes to replace the switch in your power tool.